Press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss a video from News Laundry.
There's news, there's sense, and there's nuisance. This show is all about that last bit. It's been more than a month since Sushant Singh Rajput took his life. I really thought we'd seen the worst of media reporting on this case. Turns out I was wrong.
मौत के बाद सुशांत से बात। बंद कमरे में सुशांत की आत्मा से मुलाकात।
God.
आज सुशांत की आत्मा करेगी खुदकुशी का खुलासा।
You think that's bad? आपने तो सिर्फ फाइनल प्रोडक्ट देखा है. If that disgusted you to the core, which it should, imagine if you could witness the making of this show. Imagine journalists in a news office writing the script and giving it to another news professional. जरा ये पढ़ के दिखाना. मौत के बाद सुशांत से बात. And then someone says, यार मजा नहीं आया, थोड़ा सा और तड़का डालना. And the news professional takes it a notch up and says, मौत के बाद सुशांत से बात. यार मजा नहीं आया, थोड़ा और ड्रामा डालो. Just give it some feels. And then I don't know how many takes later, the news professional doing the voiceover comes up with this. आज सुशांत की आत्मा करेगी खुदकुशी का खुलासा. And this was served to you as news. What the fuck, ABP? I know you're called Sansani. Last I checked, sensationalism or Sansani doesn't mean dancing on someone's grave for TRPs.
और अब सुशांत की आत्मा से बातचीत का दावा करने वाले पैरानॉर्मल एक्सपर्ट ने जो खुलासा किया है, उसकी कहानी ने पूरी दुनिया में फैला दी है सनसनी।
Actually no, पूरी दुनिया में सनसनी नहीं फैली, बस आपके स्टूडियो में फैली है. ABP News wasn't the only one to do a 30-minute program on this so-called paranormal expert.
स्टीव का दावा है कि उन्होंने सुशांत की आत्मा से बात की है. बता दें कि स्टीव 10 साल से आत्माओं से बात करने का दावा करते आए हैं.
क्या मरने के बाद भी सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की आत्मा तड़प रही है?
Indian news anchor had some scintillating questions to ask.
जो शख्स नहीं है, मर चुका है, उसकी आत्मा से बात संभव है?
देवी जी, कुछ भी संभव है. आजकल न्यूज चैनल्स देखे तो लगेगा कुछ भी संभव है.
जो वीडियो हमने दिखाया अपने दर्शकों को, बाकी सारी बातचीत कर रहे हैं वो सुशांत की आत्मा के साथ, लेकिन मौत को लेकर कोई भी खुलासा ऐसा सच किया नहीं, कोई बड़ा खुलासा नहीं किया. क्या ऐसा होता है कि जो इंसान मर चुका है वो अपनी मौत का राज ना बताए, मौत को लेकर कोई खुलासा ना करे?
मौत को लेके एज सच कोई खुलासा नहीं किया, तो फिर क्यों आपने हमारा फिर एज सच टाइम वेस्ट किया?
जब इंसान मर जाता है तो उसकी आत्मा कहाँ रहती है? आत्मा होती है या नहीं होती है, या एक टाइम के बाद, एक टाइम पीरियड गुजरने के बाद फिर आत्मा नहीं रहती है? आत्मा की भी कोई उम्र होती है क्या?
देवी जी, आत्मा की छोड़िए, जिंदा लोग की बात करते हैं. क्या एक शरीर बिना दिमाग के हमारे बीच रह सकता है?
हाँ, आप टीवी न्यूज नहीं देखते? ये जो सब जिंदा शरीर बिना दिमाग के घूम रहे हैं, वो आज एंकर और पैनलिस्ट बने बैठे हैं.
सब लोग इतना पेल रहे थे, हमने सोचा हम भी कुछ पेल देते हैं.
जर्नलिज्म की हो गई है मौत, न्यूज़ देकर ही खुदकुशी. न्यूज़ का भूत.
Yes.
मैं जर्नलिज्म की बात हूँ.
I can feel a connection. हो रहा है yes. अरे बोल रहा है न्यूज वालों, लोगों का चूतिया काटना बंद करो, कुछ तो शर्म करो. रोज स्टूडियो में लोगों का उल्लू बना रहे हो, लोगों को बैठा के क्या क्या बकवास करा रहे हो, और इसको स्पॉन्सर कौन कर रहा है ये पूछ रहा है वो. ओके?
So, who exactly is this expert? Judging by his YouTube channel, he's communicated with Michael Jackson, Robin Williams, and even the ghost in The Ghost. I couldn't find a single news article on him other than in Indian news media. So this American, thoroughly ignored by his own country's media, gets prime news space in India. I'm pretty sure he's going to be calling Irfan Khan and Rishi Kapoor next. Free में publicity देने के लोग बैठे हैं, तो क्यों ना लोगों का उल्लू काटें? As if this wasn't enough, Zee News came up with unverified details on Sushant Singh's mental health.
सूत्रों के मुताबिक ये बताया गया कि मुंबई पुलिस की पूछताछ में साइकेट्रिस्ट ने ये बताया है कि सुशांत सिंह को बाइपोलर डिसऑर्डर की बीमारी थी.
पुलिस के मुताबिक सुशांत ऐसे डिप्रेशन के दौर से गुजर रहे थे कि एक वक्त में वो 5 मनोचिकित्सकों से इलाज करवा रहे थे.
Note, There's no official source saying this. No police, no doctor has come on record to say this. Midday had put a similar piece and they had to pull it down after being called out. India TV went a step ahead and put out totally unnecessary details of his personal life.
सूत्रों के मुताबिक 11 महीनों के रिकॉर्ड बताते हैं कि सुशांत के क्रेडिट कार्ड, डेबिट कार्ड से रिया ही शॉपिंग करती थी। रिया के पिछले साल के यूरोप टूर का खर्च भी सुशांत के ही अकाउंट से निकला था।
And of course, there were tickers that were just read for yourself.
सुशांत को किसने बनाया बेचारा? सुशांत सितारा बनने आया था, बेचारा नहीं। सितारा गंगा किनारे वाला पूछ रहा है।
As if all this तमाशा wasn't good enough, न्यूज नौटंकी की दुनिया के बेताज बादशाह ने एंट्री मारी क्वीन के साथ। This was a match made in reality show studio heaven. मतलब move on Big Boss, ये देखो।
I call this gang suicide gang.
Let there be a division on how many people are for Kangana and against Kangana.
Javed Akhtar has enough political connections to get away with pretty much anything in Mumbai. And Mahesh Bhatt is his best friend. The suicide gang was there, already there. So these people who are vultures, bloodthirsty vultures, they're seeking doomed people. I'm not saying Aditya Chopra wanted him to die or Karan Johar wanted. No, they definitely wanted him to be doomed.
If it's not a suicide, you look at who is behind the attempted murder, right? Or the murder, or the homicide. Right. If it is a suicide, then you'll have to look at the circumstances.
Mahesh Bhatt, for abetment of suicide, he should have a proper act on him. Why was he counseling him? Is he a psychiatrist? Is he his friend? Has he worked with him? Who is he in his life? Why was he going to his house and counseling him?
The person is dead, Mr. Jain. The person is dead. You are telling me this is unacceptable.
If you thought Arnab made it all about himself, wait till you watch Queen. Or maybe that's why Arnab called her, so that he could learn from the best. Or should I say worse? Let's just go with the nuttiest.
Everybody knows that I gave the biggest blockbuster any girl has ever given. I signed 19 brands. I think that was the maximum for any girl ever had. So just like 2 days ago, when I was just a beautiful girl being persuaded by many men, suddenly I see that maybe marriage is not an option for my life. And when he saw my footage from Gangster, he just went crazy. He's like, oh, you're so good, you're so good. He wanted me in every film. Somebody like, when Lakshmi Bai's role, I have done somebody like Alia Bhatt, such a mediocre actor, for 10 minutes role, flaunting a Best Actor trophy. I said no to Fairness Scream. I said no to Khans. I am a girl from a village. It's an achievement for me. Why should I hide it? You see that somebody like me who's got 3 national awards and Padma Shri only for acting, I will never make it to his good actresses list. Someone who's belonging to this film industry for last 14-15 years, and I have started my small studio. I have also directed a film, delivered a film, released a film. I got Padma Shri this year. I directed a 150 crore film. I am also speaking to on Republic TV to give my feedback on telling me my tragic end is near. What makes you think that?
The best part of the interview was the disclaimer.
The views and opinions expressed in the interview are those of the interviewee. Republic Media Network does not subscribe, agree or endorse the views expressed.
Now, I checked Arnab's interviews with Amit Shah and Modi and others, and none of them had this disclaimer, which means even Arnab is not very sure about all her rambling. And while Republic doesn't agree with her views, Arnab decided to hold 4 debates on it. The debates were a total loon fest with God knows who from Bandra, mouthing absolutely God knows what on this case.
Do not चोर की दाढ़ी में हमेशा तिनका रहता है.
He wanted to go to the moon on 2024.
It's very clear from the pictures of Sushant and the many marks on his face, his body, that he has been sort of beaten up, okay? And he would have either been drugged and he would have been killed.
There were no signals or symptoms that Sushant Singh would have committed suicide.
All you Patna people and people who are trolling everybody and who've come out in the open.
What do you mean Patna people?
What do you mean Patna people?
There are more than 10 gangs active.
Who on earth are these guys? According to this guy, SSR changed 50 SIMs in a month.
Have you seized all electronic evidence? Because there are statements in all national papers, in all publications saying that he used 50 SIM cards. That is not an ordinary thing. Have you seized all those 50 SIM cards? Was he running from somebody that he kept on changing his SIM cards?
And how does he know that? Because Shekhar Suman said so. And how does Shekhar Suman know that? Because he read it somewhere. That's it. Shekhar Suman has been making this claim because he read it somewhere. He doesn't even know where he read it. And this guy, apparently a lawyer and a chela of Subramaniam Swami, just took off on that. Clearly, he's learning from the guru that Indian news channels are so hard up and so desperate that you can just payload anything and still be considered someone whose commentary should be worthy of airtime. I mean Subramaniam Swami, who last had this to say about Sridevi's death.
If you ask my opinion, I can tell you that I think it's murder. Cinema actresses और दाऊद की जो रिश्ते हैं, नाजायज रिश्ते हैं, उस पर थोड़ा हमें ध्यान देना पड़ेगा.
Conspiracy theory just threw a party with Swami as the chief guest. That wasn't all. Both Arnab and Kangana also presented this as proof of a murder angle.
Alia Bhatt ridiculed Sushant by saying Sushant Singh who? Are you saying all of this was planned, plotted?
Who would you kill, marry, or hook up with? Look at the words used, Samir Soni.
It's a game.
It's not a game. It's not a game. You don't kill people in games. Ridiculous. Don't be stupid. What do you mean game? What do you mean game? And Alia Bhatt said, I would marry Ranbir, I would kill Sushant.
It's a game.
No, I would kill. Why would you kill? No, why do you use the word kill? Why do you use the word kill?
They don't literally.
No, 1 minute. Why would you kill? Why would you use the word kill? I can understand marry or hook up. Why would you kill? I'm sorry. Why would you kill? Why would you kill in a game?
Okay. Kill, marry, hook up is a childish game for drunk adolescent or pre-adolescent teens, which is basically Karan Johar and his ilk, same. And that ridiculous game on a show as farcical as this one is being touted as proof of murder. How deranged do you have to be to go so far down the road for either pathetic eyeballs or ads or pathetic publicity and power? And here's the most ironic bit. This show called Nation Wants to Know, which is an exercise in narcissism catering to the lowest common denominator and aimed at pleasing those who he considers powerful, is taking down a show which is an exercise in narcissism catering to the lowest common denominator and pleasing those who he considers influential. There's irony, and then there's meta-irony, and then there's Arnab equals Karan. To be fair, his show says stop making sense. Arnab, तुम्हारा क्या excuse है? Taking his message to heart? The best way to kill a legitimate discussion, which in this case is nepotism in Bollywood in particular and in India in general, is to make it a prime-time spectacle on these channels that have become a platform for angry, desperate people to just mouth absurdities. That's a huge disservice to the issues that need to be discussed and also to sanity. What's interesting is that at a time when Assam needed its most famous son to discuss the depth of despair in a flood-ravaged state, the only depth this proud Assamese was sinking to was touching a new low in news discourse. 6 debates on Bollywood, SSR, Kangana and your made-up murder mystery, and 2 debates on Assam? 2? I'll tell you about the disaster that has hit Assam, Bihar, Meghalaya and West Bengal. Close to 150 people have died in West Bengal. More than 90 people have died in Assam as we record this show. Lakhs and lakhs of people have been displaced, properties and homes destroyed in what has now become an annual event. Kudos to NDTV, Aaj Tak, TV9 Bharat and CNN News 18 for getting us detailed reports on the floods. A special mention to Ashutosh of Aaj Tak for his daily updates from Assam.
Imagine the number of people, those who have been living here, that's been in hundreds of them, and taking all their belongings to the roadside and living in a shelter, in a temporary shelter made of plastic, or the accommodation or any relief camps that are made by agencies and authorities here in Barpeta in Assam.
So, why would those with the highest TRPs not discuss the most pressing issue in the nation, but instead convert their studios into a circus? I'll tell you why. Because the circus sells more ads and news that matters has few takers. That is the logic of a TRP-driven news model. Which is why I have always told you, pay to keep news free. If you don't step up and pay for the news you consume, journalists will keep calling Atmas and keep you distracted with crap instead of news that matters. Need I say again Pay to keep news free and subscribe to newslaundry.com. By the way, we've been covering the Assam floods way before it made it on Arnab's primetime show. So pay to keep news free, log on to newslaundry.com and subscribe. That's all the nuisance we had for you this week. We'll be back next week. Until then, stay mad. That's the only way. Thank you so much, guys, for watching that episode. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to newslaundry.com. Log on to newslaundry.com/subscriptions and choose one of the many subscription offers that we have, and please subscribe. The cheapest one is as low as ₹300 a month. That's really not much. So if you like what I do, if you like what News Laundry does, so please consider subscribing, because we don't take any ads from anyone. We only depend on our news consumers and our news watchers. So subscribe, I'm saying that again. Like this video, share this with your friends and family, and of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Most of you who watch this show don't subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have data on that. So please, don't just watch the show and leave the channel without subscribing to our YouTube channel. We really want to reach a bigger number soon, so please subscribe and ask your friends and family to subscribe. Thank you guys, bye.